All right, guys, I finally got one of these in stock. 27-foot rear entertainment. Look at these huge windows. On your campsite set, so you can see everything going on. 2 big power awnings, solid steps, a little bit wider entry door here. Look at the island in this one. Little fancy drop lights. You still have the Versa lounge in this one. This back piece pulls out, turns around over here, and then creates a dinette. Or you have an L-shaped sofa like this. And then you get all the storage underneath. You get 5 of those big totes that come with it. Recliners in the back. Big window in the back as well. If you're back up to a lake, that'll be very nice. Bluetooth soundbar, fireplace. You have a deep pantry here. Storage underneath the microwave. There's storage on both sides of the island. Storage in the island. There's outlets. Residential fridge. And yes, it is 95 degrees in here right now. Hey, check out the bedroom. There's a laundry chute built in. There's a netting in there that comes out. Little cloth totes that come with it. Spot underneath. Put your shoes. And this one does have the extra closet in the bedroom. Never too much storage. This is a sharp looking unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, thank you.